How do you reheat a rotisserie chicken? I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you how to reheat a whole rotisserie chicken and keep it tender and juicy. Stay tuned. If you watch my channel, you will notice that I have a lot of recipes using leftover rotisserie chicken. That is because when I do my monthly grocery shopping, I usually pick up a couple rotisserie chickens. They make so many meals for us and they are so convenient. Actually, I couldn't buy and cook the chicken for $4.99, and as you can see, these are nice plump chickens. I use the meat for making soups, casseroles, sandwiches, and so much more. I save the bones and make homemade chicken broth and bone broth in my crock pot. I always have chicken broth in my refrigerator. Not much goes to waste on the rotisserie chicken. Another convenient meal is reheating a whole rotisserie chicken for a comforting family meal. I bought this chicken a couple days ago and I'm going to reheat it in the oven. You will notice congealed chicken juices at the bottom of the store's container. This is good for making gravy or adding to broth. Just be careful because it will be flavored with the store's chicken seasoning that they used. This rotisserie chicken came from Sam's and they used something similar to a Lowry seasoning salt. I placed the whole chicken in my foil pan and I'm leaving the legs tied. This will help reheat the chicken evenly. You want a pan or a baking dish that the chicken is just going to fit, something not too big. To help keep the chicken tender and juicy, I'm adding about a half a cup of water to the bottom of the pan. Covering tightly with foil, and the chicken is going into a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I'm removing the foil and baking an additional 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, you could baste the chicken with your favorite barbecue sauce. To help crisp up the skin, you can also place it under a low broiler for a couple minutes. Because of the size of this rotisserie chicken, it baked covered for the initial 25 minutes and 10 minutes uncovered. The chicken is nice and warm all the way through and it falls off the bone. The meat is tender and juicy. Serving tonight with mashed potatoes, corn, and gravy. Now that is a meal. My family was happy. The next time you want to reheat a rotisserie chicken, try this method in the oven and you will be amazed. Enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!